law school admissions is conducted on a rolling basis, meaning that the applications are evaluated in the order in which they're received. Meaning that, let's say you apply in September when applications open, you could apply then and maybe hear back a month or two later. Law schools, however, are waitlisting and deferring more and more applicants to see who else will come along, since there has been a recent decline in the number of people applying to law school. They kind of want to see who else will come along and then admit the best folks possible, the strongest applicants possible. So you might not hear back in the fall, even if you apply in the fall, unfortunately. It's not really necessarily the most polite of them, but they have their own interests to consider. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.